AI is analyzing data, automating systems, building smarter apps. But the real question is, who is building the AI?
Honestly, it scares me sometimes. If AI is doing everything, where do you even fit in?
Relax, AI won't build itself.
Exactly. Instead of worrying about what AI replaces, we are learning about what the world will need next.
That's why we choose MCA.
Because it teaches the text that builds the future with 52% of AI integrated module and 45% of hands-on learning.
Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh doesn't just prepare us for the future, it builds the future with us. World-class centers of excellence in AI, advanced data science ecosystems, everything future-ready under one roof.
Here we actually work on machine learning, deep learning, NLP, cloud computing, and blockchain.
And with yearly internships, the industry becomes part of our classroom.
CUUP connects our learning with the world through global certifications and industry-backed training.
We are not trying to just get into the industry.
We are preparing to build what the industry runs on.
Master of Computer Applications, Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh. Build the intelligence beyond tomorrow.